Okay, so this is the ultimate scratch swirl remover. It's basically get down into all the scratches. Well, the scratches that you can't feel with your fingertips, right? So once the scratch is too deep, this won't be able to remove it. But the minor scratches, for example, the key scratches and all of those other scratches, it will remove it. And so far, I use it once. You get a little buffing pad with it, which is this little orange thing here. Alright, Carfidant is the brand. It's a very good product. I had one of these before, but they upgrade. They made a black edition, which is this one. I bought it from my car and it's very good. The buffing pad works good. I mean, you just use it, rub it into the paint of the car and it removes the scratches. And as you can see, this is the car that I have and it's really shiny and it's really pretty. So I try to maintain it that way because the black paint it's a very difficult paint to be maintained. But it is good, flawless right now.